Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. Woohoo! So for today, we're just gonna go around here in Puerto Carmen. It's just early. Woohoo! How things going? So we are here in another bike check. So we are here at the back of Rancho, Texas. And yeah, I kindly want some inhale some fresh air. So I just go for a bike. How things going, folks? Did you enjoy our last video? Anyway, today weather is kindly. They say I'm not 100% sure, but the weather says it's gonna be rain today. So I start cycling as early as 8 a.m. So time check, it's 8:20, and I have maybe half a mile now in my house or less. I'm not quite sure. And yep, enjoying the scenery by myself, and only me are doing some cycling around here. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. So here you go. Time to get that energy boost. Let's go. So I'm here a little bit of the edge. You know, this is a pine road and some rough road right here, or gravel, whatever you call it. You're gonna go straight there out to that house, and then go to another fine road, and then another rough road again. So if you go straight to the right, there's a way there you can end up in Los Fusillas or Matagorda, and if you go straight in, you will end up in Arrecife, and that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, let's go. It's very quiet out here. I'm the only one, and some birds. The sun is just right here. I want to come out in this very dark clouds, but yeah, it's just right there. I hope it's vanished these clouds and the sun is just come out. So if you're really in the dirt enthusiast, like mountain biking, gravel biking, this is the route you can tackle on, folks. Maybe this took you about like 20 kilometers or less, maybe about 15. But if you go back like a loop from my house up to here, and then come back using the bike lane of Puerto Carmen to our port, that will take you about 20 kilometers. So maybe this one is 15 if you go straight in Arrecife and then come back, or more or less. That's how I describe it. So anyway, like I said, if you like some rough road, this is the road that you need to walk to enjoy, folks. Awesome, yeah. Going up, change some gears. There you go, I'm the upper gear now. Look how steep it is. I think we can do it. Yeah, come on, Vince. I can do it. Even with my old mountain bike, it is very nice. She can still handling this kind of thing, even though there's clicking somewhere there, the tires a little bit not aligned at the moment. That's fine, still working. Woo, we made it to the top. Woohoo! Happy days. Fine road. If you go straight here, you will end up in Diaz. This road. Look, this road. We're all the way to TS. For us, we're gonna go in this side so we can make the best out of rough roads. So folks, hey, the sun just came out and I really enjoy it. Wow, just cycling, you know. I crossed along some mountain bikers around. It's good to see that, you know, this part of Lanzarote is people is still doing their activities, and it's way better to see some people doing the same thing as what you do love, if you know what I mean. So anyway, sunshine is here and it's 8:30 in the morning and we have maybe about 4 kilometers. I'm looking at the clock and the GPS that we have. We already doing now some 4K, so just gonna keep on going. There's another way right here from TS to go in that other side and Decathlon. We're gonna do here, straight there and take a left and find some tunnel and then make it to the side of that highway, so we can end up in industrial of Fly Honda and all the way there find a road to arrecife. So let's see, you know, plane just arrived, you can hear it in the background, so let's go folks. So we just finished in that hill. You're gonna go up there and then straight down. There's a road right here that you will find, and there's a house right here that's really nice, you know. I think they're doing some goat around here or sheep, whatever it is. It's really nice because this is in the middle of something, and the karting is just right here in this spot. So we're actually in the middle of Puerto del Carmen, Matagorda, and TS, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna go in this road strictly, take a left, and then go straight to the tunnel and find our way to Fly Honda. So let's go. That's the airport, by the way. And there's a big cruise ship in arrecife that I saw it. So you can see it in my eyes, but in the camera I don't think so, because this one is have a wide lens, so you cannot focus in one shot. So let's go. So we are exactly in the front of the karting, and there's a big dog right there. Oh, it shocked me a little bit. But anyway, we're gonna go straight here up to this nice road to end up in Play Honda. So let's go folks. It's a big dog right there, it's barking. It's me, enjoying myself with this beautiful sunshine at my back. Ha 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 ha. Look at that view. Oh man, it's awesome. Wow, this is the day. Ooh, did you hear that? Some plane want to, you know, go much higher. You see it in my back. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. The plane just flying in. I think I'm gonna see it. There you go. Just flew away. Right there. Wow. Very nice view of this mountain, huh? How beautiful it is. You know, in the other side of that mountain is just very awesome as well. You'll find a lot of grapes farm. Almost half of the mountain is crops, and what do you call this? Grapes around there. And look at the stunning view from here. Oh man. Here, if you go here, straight in the highway, that tunnel, that's the tunnel we're gonna go in. Oh, catching my breath. It's a long stiff, not very stiff one, it's just like incline, a long one. A small one, but it's very long. You see it my back, right there. Woo! Adventure, Vince, adventure. To all my subscribers and the new ones, welcome to Vin's World. You need to be careful here. Sometimes there's a big car or truck coming out. So we need to stop a little bit and think. We're going in a tunnel. Tunnel, here we go. Woo. Yeah. Alright, we just passed through the tunnel. So this is the thing, folks. There's a way right there. You will end up in TS. That's for sure. You're gonna do it in a different day or a different month. And here, if you go straight here, you'll end up in Arrecife. So we're gonna go here and find our way there. So let's go, folks. Huh. My old bike still catching on, eh? Very nice. I just want to, to use this one until it breaks and then buy a new one. I'm not rich, guys. I get the other Wendy staying there. I can't even fix it. I don't know. Maybe I sell it. No idea. So anyway, still working. Yeah, we need to go. This is very hard, filming while doing the cycling. This is not great, Supposed to have some chest mount, but I didn't bring it. I thought I was just gonna do some little riding vlogging and some stuff to pop in the camera. But I want to share it to you. There's a beautiful scenery that we have right now while riding it. Some good change for the video. So we're now in the side of the highway, as you can see. There's a lot of cars just passing by. So we're taking this hill up all the way to Playa Honda. Vince PH, you're the main. Look, we're now in the top of the world. Lanzarote. Always been good to me, eh? Either there's raining. Well, not much actually. Just drifting around. And now find the perfect day to do some cycling. I think it will take you 2 hours if you go straight to Arrecife. That's why when we end up in Arrecife, we're gonna think about it. We're gonna go straight. Playa Honda. We're gonna go straight, or we're gonna go home. So it really depends. This is a hard trail right here. There's a lot of loose rocks, so it's very hard to do it in one hand. But when it's firm, just like this one, it's okay. I'm fine. I'll try it slowly as I can. Industrials, almost here. Wow. The mountain on the other side. They do some quarrying right there. It's already half, so I don't know. And another hard trail right here. Yeah. To Playa Honda Industrial. Airport is very busy. I heard a lot of plane coming in. So it's awesome. It's great, That means holiday season is here. and everybody want to have a great holiday here in Lanzarote. I think in most part of Canary Islands. So anyway, industrial places here in La Honda. Woohoo! Fine road again, asphalt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Woo! Hey! Big shout out to all the people that are watching this video now. So, you know, be alive and happy. Hey! Woo! Just gonna enjoy the beautiful scenery at Lanzarote and the highway system around here. Nice. Ooh, there's a lot of people doing some cycling as well. Oh, man. I compare with my old one. I bring this in way far of Lanzarote and it still works. So I think I need some fixing a little bit, some screws and all that stuff. And she's alive again. Gonna change some rim as well because it's 8 now. I'm doing my 8, it's just wiggling. If I'm in the high speed like 30 kilometers, if you're going downhill in the asphalt or the main road of like when I went to Caldera and Mancha Blanca, half of them are fine road just like this, and it's a decline, so you don't need to pedal. Your weight is just pushing you down. The thing is, you know, the bike is just like this, and I'm very scared that if I go much faster, it will end up, you know, wiggling and end up in disaster. So I stay pinching the brake every now and then, you know, just a very slow pinch, let it slow down a little bit because it's wiggling, especially the tail. I think it's not aligned, like I said, you know, all the rims are jammed back. This is old one. This is maybe about 2000. I think it's 2018 or 17, if not mistaken, model. So it's old one, and still works. Just needs some fixing and oiling, and it's good to go. And cleaning as well. It's a birch bike. Actually, this is my brother's bike, and he do have like big mountain bikes. He sell it because he buy it for me, but I never use it because I don't like how that bike works. You know, there's a lot of shocks. It's bouncing me up and down, and the terrain, I don't know, I don't like it. It's just too high for me. This one is just perfect. Even though I'm tall with this bike, and it's catching me up. So I like this one. And the seat post that I put is just perfect in my height. Nothing hurts. Because I hurt a little bit the knees, you know, because it's how things when you get older. What I mean, it works. It works for me, so it's fine. So we're here now. Actually, there's a lot of cars here. Like cars in my bag that don't even realize. So industrial of La Honda is just right here. Go straight there. I'm not quite sure where it's gonna end up. But I think there's a road there that you will end up somewhere. So we are here now at La Honda. We just finished our journey from the open field all the way here, and industrial of La Honda. I can see some rain air right here, all the way in this spot. The airport is just right there in the corner. Oh, happy days. Look, the thick clouds is right here now. Remember the first couple of minutes of our vlog? There it is. It's not raining, folks. It's raining there in the sea, not here. We made it here. So how long kilometers? How many kilometers now? That are almost like 42 minutes of our cycling time, and we're exactly in 7.7 distance kilometers, sorry, that we are doing now. So it's great, it's great to do this. We have this kind of stuff now, so we can calculate and estimate our time of riding and enjoying what we do best. So let's go, folks. So we're just right there in the empty space right there, and this is more industrial now. It's the car wash of all electric cars, if I'm not mistaken. Gabi car they call it, and a lot of tourist bus right here, the yellow one especially, and the ice plant is right here. Let's have a closer look, folks. Don't try this at home. What I'm doing right now is crazy. This is not great, I'm supposed to put some what do you call this, chest mount in my chest, so we can cycle much safer. What I'm doing right now is not great. This is the ice plant right here. So this is the ice plant right here, you see, and this is the, I think they call it garage, if I'm not mistaken, the garage of all this tourist bus that are picking up all of our tourists here in Lanzarote. This is it, most of them are here. And this side, this side, they're doing some hollow blocks right there. And this is the ice plant that I'm talking about. Is very big, and I don't know, the half of them is doing something as well right here. Oh, this is one hollow blocks as well. They're doing some hollow blocks right here. And this is the garage of the bus. There's too many buses around here. I think there's more in the back, if I'm not mistaken. So we're heading straight down. Actually, there's a pathway that you can go in the left side, but it's too it's too rough to film a little bit. So we're gonna try our best to end up here in Hiperdino and find our way in the other side, so we can fully enjoy the cycling, folks. Here, left side terrain right here. There's a way right here, if I'm not mistaken, and there's another way right here, but you will end up in the other side of this beautiful area. And here you're gonna go straight down the side of Hiperdino supermarket. I don't know if they're open now. I think they're still closed, so we're just gonna pass through. Look, this is a big place for all the establishment and all the industries that they can make, like ice, cement, rocks, gravel, name it, folks. Sand. I think they do some sand as well. So it's awesome. So Hiperdino is right here, and we're gonna go straight down there to make our way in Playa Honda. So let's go. Car sales is right here. All the classics. Look. I remember buying some diapers right there in Hiperdino. I just go around here with Wendy way back when baby's still in the crib. And we need some diapers because of the size of Bella is very, very different. Very hard to find, actually. So I end up here. We call all the supermarkets around, and that's the one they have the nearest to my place. So I grab Wendy and make the best out of it. I don't realize there's a road or a crazy road that we can tackle on in the back. I don't realize that. If I know that way back, it's much easier. The smell of gasoline here is terrible. Right here, I got gasoline stuff on that side. And if you go in this roundabout, like I said, go straight, you will end up in the beach actually. And if you go left, you find this tunnel and then take a left, you'll end up in Thailand Shopping Center. And here all the Baratissimo and all the cheap Chinese big store, it's just right there in the corner. So folks, we're gonna go in this side, so let's go. So we are at the back actually. So the roundabout that I'm telling about is the most busiest around here that I ever see. You know what I mean? There you go, cars coming in. Some industrial right here. Somewhere to my left, airport in the right, industrial straight ahead. That hill is something, huh? Right there. You see at the front? That's Dayland. You see, we're in the other side of La Honda. Never been here. This is my first time here, so I documented just in case. So if you guys come here and want to enjoy the cycling and the safest way, this is the route that you can follow, folks. Do it in my Strava, so I'll put the link in the description. So if you want to travel what I do, so you'll find this route very safe. That's the one I really like, finding the way in some places that are very safe and convenient for some people. We're now entering municipio of Arrecife. This is the rough road that you will see if you're riding a number 3 bus. You will see this spot for sure. Here we go. Rough road again. That's why we have a mountain bike to do this. If windy, oh no, you're gonna always be in the bike lane. And it's good to discover some places that I've never been to, if you know what I mean. So here we go. There's a houses I always look when I was in the bus. Always looking curious about this house. I don't know if there's a way right here. I just saw it. Some rough road. Maybe we can do this and end up here. It's not a dirt road, that's too. And there's a lot of what do you call this? Never realized it and looking at. Now I'm very close, so I see it right away. Lots of fields to plant some grapes right there. Right there. Grapes. If you riding the bus and look at this side, you will see me cycling. This is right there, because this is the gasoline flow. It's very hard here, huh? It's quite nice. I kind of enjoy it, because the bike is made for this kind of terrain. So it's awesome. I'm enjoying it. I found some new trail routes for bike, gravels, mountain bike, and some hiking trails as well. So looking forward to that. And the Ursula adventure that we're gonna do this coming few months. I'm planning it as well. So we have so many plans. never finished yet. So if I have a time, I just grab the bike and see if we can make it. So anyway, gasoline station is here. Wow, how cool this place is. Sure. There's a lot. Woo! I don't know if I can allow to pass here. Let's see. I don't know which way. Which way? Here. This the way. Ah, man. What an awesome adventure. This is me finding my way to Arrecife. With lots of obstacle in the middle. So we're now in Arrecife. Officially Arrecife. Oy. Dark clouds are warning. It's gonna rain soon. Prediction is right. But no rain yet, so we're gonna keep on going. I just want to go to the Arrecife Central and call it a day. It's very awesome. I made this day to share it to you folks. It's really awesome. So we just been there, passing here, all the way up here. And all the Fly Honda Industrial. So something, eh? And there's a tunnel here as well. We will end up some places. I think for most part is circling along Fly Honda. This is the tunnel you can go. You can try it one day. End up in Arrecife. So anyway, let's go folks. Woohoo! Main road right there. If the bike is allowed there, it's better. Comment down below what place is this. Never been here. This is my first time. And it looks very rich people are living here. Not quite sure. Look. I know here another dirt road right here. There's a lot of houses there. I think if you try to pedal or go all the way inside of all the houses, right? I mean, not inside the house, the road inside, you will end up somewhere in Argana Alta, where the Mercadona is, where is the Decathlon is. I think so. There's a lot of cars as well, people living here, and we are here at the side of this bumpy road that I really love. I don't know if there's a way here. There's a sign, crossing wherever, right here. Look, what is that? Dead end or no way to go? But there's the tracks right here. So I don't know. I'm not quite sure. Let's try it. And then if we end up in the, let's go back. This is the main road to go to Costa Teguise. Oh man, it's awesome. Oh no, I end up in So folks, I just end up in a private what do you call this? Private land. I don't know if we can enter in this one or find our way there. Let's see. Oh man, we're just very lucky. We find a lady there walking with a dog, and she just told me there's a path here for the bikes, so I'm really glad. We end up in that kind of terrain that is very what they call this, very nice, and then end up in what they call this, dead end. Oh man, that's why there's the sign right there in the front. Never even realized that. And I think here not much people are passing by, not much, because of all the terrain. Look, I mean, bike lanes. This is for walking. I'm super lost right now. I'm just finding this road that will end up somewhere, and the clouds just find me. They hit me now. So it's raining now. Jeez. Now what? I don't know. Jeez. So the rain just find me. Look at this cloud. And I'm here in the terrain that I don't even know where I'm gonna end up. I have no idea, folks. I'm just literally here on this side, and this very big what do you call this? Big something. Gas, whatever. I'm here, just staying put. This terrain would pass for sure. And yeah, if you do like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. This is a private place, folks. Private one. Luckily we end up here. Look, I have a little bit of shade, but the rain is a little bit hard. So look at that. I need to squeeze a little bit more. And look, and the sun is just right there. As you can see, it's raining, but the sun is just right there. Oh man, what an adventure, eh? I just want to go to city center, and I end up here. Where are they? Look, sun just came out, and it's still raining. A few minutes, it's gonna be gone for sure. But let's make the terrain more muddy and wet. Jeez. I'm just laughing at myself. My wife just called, go home, and I'm here. Oh man. It's nice. We get to see some little bit of rain here, which is awesome. Just passing by, but really tough one. Very big chunks of water just falling down in the sky. Acid rain, they call it, yeah. Look, the rain is just going there. Oh man. There you go, I think the rain just passed, and I'm here in the big oil tanker right here. Park. I'm at the bottom, so I think we're gonna go. So the sun just pops out, and the rain is just going in that side. So I think we're good. We'll go now. Thanks to that big machine, we didn't get wet. Oh, it's a trailer. I put some sand on. Okay, let's go. I don't know where we're gonna go now. I think here. Here. Let's try here. You see? We're in a halfway through. The rain just dropped. Oh, there's a road there. Main road. Let's go here. So in this middle of this kind of lost thing, we find a main road. But the rain is keep on drifting, so I don't know. Okay, I don't know where we're going. So anyway, this is my day. How about yours? So folks, I'm just really lost. We just end up right there, and I'm just finding my way in this terrain, and I have no idea where we're going. So we're gonna find a road here, and let's see if we'll end up in a... There's a road right there actually, so I think we're gonna find our way. Let's have a closer look. 9:45. Let's try this one. If we don't, we go back and call it a day. What an adventure this day, huh? Look, there's a road right there. That's the road we just passed, and there's a guy with a mountain bike past me. and I think this is the right way. Have a great day. See you in the main road, folks. So folks, we just end up in this reverse road. I just follow some the man with a mountain bike, and I end up in a nice spot, but our goal is just to find a way back. So maybe one day we're gonna try what they have to. I think they're gonna end up somewhere back at the TS, but for us, we just went there, so we need to go back. So anyway, this road, I don't know where we're gonna end up. Just keep on pedaling. We just find ourselves in the main road. So this is the hospital right now, the big hospital, if I'm not mistaken. You see, Urgencias Hospital. Yeah, this is the public hospital right here that all the people are going on. Hello, we're lost. Oh man, we're just here, folks. I think if we go straight this way, we'll end up in somewhere right there in Tias, but it's a long way far. And we are here at the hospital right here, and the big Chinese store right here, and the Decathlon is in the other side. If we go there, we'll end up in Main Street. So let's go, folks. The sun just came out. What a day. So quick update, folks. We are here now at the Media Mart. Electronic shop is right there, and McDonald's, Mercadona, and Decathlon is here. So we're in the right way, folks. Luckily we find this one. We made it in Decathlon. Woo! Nice. Sorry about the wind noise. I just took up the mic, and yeah, we're here at the Decathlon. Wow, long way to come here, huh? Woo! Mercadona is right there. Just gonna go in the other side of the road. We just gonna bump here a little bit and buy some cycling shorts if they have. Still open? Yeah, still open. So folks, I just end up buying some cycling shorts right here in Decathlon, and the rain is just right there in the other side, and it's just getting hotter now. So time check is 10:30 in the morning. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here, or maybe somewhere there. Let's see. But yeah, we made it here in Decathlon. It's really cool. So folks, we are here in the main strip. Oh, actually in the inner city. So I'm glad I found myself here in the inner city now, and then we're heading home actually. So yeah, we made it to Decathlon, and we do some couple of miles and a little bit of adventure, of course, and now we're just heading home. I just bought some cycling shorts. I know in Puerto Carmen they sell something, but I'm here now, so I thought I just bought the cycling shorts. Hurts my butt a little bit now, so it's good to have one. Main road, let's go. So right now on the other side of the road, we're going home. I gotta show you where we go in the first couple of miles of our journey right now. But this spot, or this road, we've been here so many times, so for sure you know this place now. So see you on the other side. So folks, we made it here at the city. Woo! I'm not gonna go much further there in the inner city. I just want to see this beautiful spot that we are here right now. So I hope you enjoyed that little adventure that we have this morning, and if you do like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. I hope you have the best day of your life. So anyway, I'm gonna put the link in the description, the Strava, the route that we do, and I still keep on going with our GPS, so you're gonna see how long it takes to go from Puerto del Carmen up to here and then went home. So folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs, and see you in the next episode. Peace. Wow, sorry about the wind noise, folks. No camera trick right now. Oh, there's a big snowman right there. So maybe we go there sometime. So thank you for watching, folks, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Avenida of Arrecife. I thought I'm gonna end the vlog now. I can't. We are here the Avenida bike lane of Arrecife. Woo! Nice spot. Exactly 22 kilometers that we are traveling now. So yeah, it's a long one, but it's nice. So we're now heading from here up to the very edge of that road right there. Let me check. Alright, here we go. From here you cycle all over there at the airport. So I think we'll see you in the next stop is in the airport, folks. So yeah, nice one. Oh, what a beautiful day. The sun just come out. It's really lovely around here. It smells ocean around here, like a fresh sea thing, if you know what I mean. Very windy. Sorry about that. So anyway, more update later on. So we're now here at the almost La Honda. We're now at 24 kilometers in our riding distance. Still great, no hassle. I'm not in a hurry, so yeah, but it's tiring, you know, but it's fine, it's cool. Well, it's still fine, still good. So we are here now at the cycling that are prohibited, so we're gonna try our best to walk on and find our way out in this I don't understand why they put this one right here, but anyway, for the safety of everyone, I think, that's for sure. So anyway, respecting the rules, we just need to walk all the way in the promenade of the, what do you call this, airport. Woo, nice view around here. I imagine, folks, let's take this mask off. Imagine, you know, you're having a blast around here, drinking some cocktails and having a nice tapas. This is the best view, a local cuisine you will find around here, so which is quite good. So let's go. They're not open yet for the people. I think there's a quick rain right here. You see, the floor is still wet at this point. So yeah, awesome. See you on the other side. It reminds me of the water world in this kind of boat. Nice. Oh, I can see the airport now. We're almost there. We're almost there. Anyway, we were walking here the Avenida of La Honda. So it's supposed to be like there's a lot of people are cycling around here, but they close it up. So yeah, it's good, you know, to give some safety for the people to walk around here, because most of the time before, you know, then they didn't close it yet. There's a lot of cycling people that are passing here. I think they have like one accident, that's why they closed this road for the cyclists. That's why they maintain it for what do you call this, for the people that can walk around here. It's much safer. It's a accident prone, you know, kids crossing around, running around. So yeah, this is the house that I really admire, folks. Classic, very classic. This is what LANZAROTE are way back 20 years ago. My house is just like this, still the same, you know, green, green, green. But yeah, things change. So people. Really, I thought it's gonna end up the vlog right there, but I insist. Keep on documenting my way home. So yeah. I just missed the cab there for maybe a few minutes, a few yards. I know you're gonna stop me and telling me that this is not a good thing to do. I know that. I know. I've been walking. You see it. You see it in the video. It's not even a joke. I'm walking, and then I decided to hop out the bike for a couple of minutes and see a girl just passing by. So why not? And then suddenly there's a cops right there waiting for us. So yeah, end up really bad. Hey, airport now. We're airport. So we are here now in the right way of the bike lane. Supposed to be straightforward from what we're talking about. But anyway, we're here now, so yeah. We've been there at the back of that other side of the airport, and now we're here. We're now cycling for almost 2.5 hours for sure, non-stop. It's good. Family's waiting, that's for sure. Hit the spot. Hit the spot. There's another plane taking off. Woo! Woo! We just made it here, folks. See, there's a plane just taking off. So we're just right there at the very end right there of arrecife. And now we are here. 2 hours of cycling is worth it, folks. Look at that. Aer Lingus is flying off. Woo! Adios, Aer Lingus. Bye bye. There you go. Let's go straight to Ireland, yeah? Adios, bye bye. Nice weather. Very, very nice. We're just passing a Hotel Beatrice. People are sunbathing right there. Different colors. Culture Hotel. Matagorda coming up. Matagorda Shopping Center. Right here. Circle Oasis right here. They're working well. Inside as well, you know, there's a lot of restaurants and bars inside, so yeah. Rock home. Salinas, I think. This is the avenue now. From here you can walk, well, from arrecife where we start, you can walk there up to here, and Los Pasillos, Puerto del Carmen, Puerto Calero, Playa Quemada, name it folks. You can walk all the way there with no hassle at all. About 2 kilometers now from here at the house, so the 2 kilometers it will take maybe 3 hours. That's my feeling right now. Happy people here. Great, nice beach, nice restaurant. Everybody's having a great time. Like, nice weather. It rained for a while and now good weather again. If you end up in this spot, you know who you are. You know where you are. This is the spot of Matagorda. So we're now at Matagorda and heading home for maybe 1 kilometer or 1.5. I will be home soon. Yeah, it's awesome. 11:30 in the morning. So it's great. A bit late to our target, but supposed to be home at 10 actually. You know, maybe if we didn't lose or he just keep on pedaling, no vlogging at all, and we didn't go to Decathlon to buy a cycling short, I think we will make it. I just went there, you know, to get the cycling shorts because I really do need, because my butt is hurting. So folks, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs, and see you in the next episode. This is really it, the end of our vlog right now. Shout out to all the people that are here right now enjoying their holiday, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out. Babush, Los Pasillos. Next stop, San Antonio, and we're home. Woohoo! Happy holidays to each of everyone. Merry Christmas as well. So that's it. Nice weather, blue sky in the middle of the winter, somewhere in the north side. So here you go. Welcome to Lanzarote. Hi. Enjoy. Woohoo! Home. Finally.